Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip your videos on the KineMaster video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device, and once you open it up, you can create any new project or open up your old ones from the ones that are saved within your device. After opening up your project, you will be taken into the edit screen from which you can import your medias and start making your desired edit right away. Now, if you wish to flip any video that you have added into your project, just tap on this video and now you will see various different options at the top right. From here, tap on rotate/mirroring and you will now see the horizontal as well as vertical flip option. Tap on the first option if you wish to mirror your videos, and you can tap on the second option if you wish to change it into upside down. You can also rotate your videos from the rotate option. After choosing your desired orientation, you can go back and continue with your edit with your desired flip settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to flip your videos on the KineMaster editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.